Hey guys, Rob here. I wanted to do a quick video on oil pumps. There is a few different styles, but I've seen guys do this. 4BT oil pumps are cheaper. They're cheaper for a reason, but I just wanted to show it because I have seen this kill engines before. So just something to be aware of, and it's easy actually to see for the most part. So anyways, let's look at it here. So we have a stock 12 valve oil pump here. Now, if you're doing an oil pump in a 12 valve, I recommend to use the higher volume oil pump for a 12 valve, which is actually originally was the oil pump for a VP44 engine, so 98.5 to 02 engine, pump gear, whatever you want. It's thicker. So this is a 4BT one, and you can see how thin it is versus this one. So this is a 12 valve one. This is the 4BT one. So you want to be very careful because the pump itself is exactly the same, different part number obviously, but I have seen it a few times where the 4BT pump is in a 12 valve, and that turns into a bad day for you because you run into oil pump problems or oil problems. So you look at this, we are 470 thou thick versus 660 thou thick. So considerable difference. So we're 190 thou different. But anyways, that's the only difference between them. I don't have a VP44 one just handy to show you guys, but this is out of a 12 valve. So that is one thing. So if you're ordering one, I would order one for a VP44. A little extra oil volume doesn't hurt. Now, if you're getting super crazy, which what you can do is you can run an 8.3 liter oil pump. The issue is that it has to be machined to fit because this bore for the C series engine is bigger. So it needs to be fitted so it doesn't just bolt in there, unless you buy one that's been machined, which I have done before, but I don't carry them in stock or anything. There is a couple companies that do carry them in stock by times, but yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that is something that you want to watch. And when you're putting your oil pump in, whether it's a new engine or you're just replacing the oil pump because you think it's a good idea to replace the oil pump, something that I do recommend doing is filling this cavity, well obviously when the gear is in there, filling these cavities with either engine assembly lube, or you can use white lithium grease, or not lithium, engine assembly grease. I call it Lubriplate, just depending on what it is. So that is something, and when you visually looking at this, you can see the difference depth-wise here versus this one. So that's the easiest way to tell. So like I said, just one of those things. It's easy to tell. Just make sure you double check if you're buying your oil pump, or you can run the part number too. I don't imagine, like the depth is different, so there's a different casting. The casting is physically the same dimensionally, just other than internal. So you want to be very careful with that. So anyways, this is just a short one, but it's definitely something that you want to look at. So I will be, today's Saturday, so I'm going to put out a couple videos today, and then we will be back with the P-Pump 6.7 build coming to you guys. We're going to be doing that. I'm hoping I should have the pistons early next week for the 12 valve, so we can start getting that thing together. So we're going to have a bunch of stuff coming together here real quick. So anyways, like, subscribe, comments, questions, hit me down below, and catch you on the next one.